In this topic of AI modeling, we are going to cover the following topics. What is modeling? What are the steps in AI modeling? Then we will understand what are the types of AI models. Then what are rule-based models and what are learning-based models? What are the types of ML, which is machine learning, supervised learning, classification, regression, unsupervised learning, then the concept of clustering, and there are few more concepts are there. Reinforcement learning, then application of machine learning, deep learning, neural network, and applications of deep learning. So this session of will be quite comprehensive, covering all the important topics which comes under the AI modeling chapter. Hello students, today we are going to study the topic of modeling, which is a part of project cycle, one of the stages of project cycle, and it covers a lot of very important topics like different types of learning models, which are very important from for the point of for your board exam preparation. So, what is basically modeling? Okay, modeling gives an idea. We are going to create some kind of model like this, or maybe some the modeling which we see in real life, like some of the this. No, it's not. It's slightly different. Here, the basically modeling. So, what is modeling? First, let's try to understand what is modeling. See, modeling is the process of creating a mathematical or computational representation of the real world data to make predictions or decisions. Okay. So, what actually it means that you are, see, once you are having a data, so you need some kind of mathematical model so that when you get this data from that data, you can, using that mathematical model or algorithm, you can get some predictions or output from the data. Okay, so modeling is basically those particular programs or algorithm which can they use those data and they can from those data they can identify. So basically, see, in real life you have a lot of like when in your maths you're doing a lot of sums are there, but ultimately it is the formula which is there which helps you to know all to solve all those problems which are of similar type. So in AI modeling also you need after getting all the data, you need to select a one kind of mathematical expression or a formula or algorithm using which you can predict or solve the problem. Next, what are the steps in AI modeling? The first is the data collection. It's a very important step because you need the relevant data using which you can do this modeling. Secondly, is the data pre-processing. The data which you get, it's not always like free of errors. So, and maybe there is very redundant data, जो data आपको नहीं चाहिए. So that data is also there. So you need to pre-process the data. You need to clean. Then comes a very important step, which is the model selection. The model, which is the kind of a algorithm. The word is model here, but basically ये एक algorithm है जिसको आपको select करना है. Based on that algorithm, आप you can the data will be used in that particular algorithm to give you the results. Then the next very important step is the training the model. The data which you have collected now, उस डेटा को आप क्या करेंगे, आप उसको डिवाइड कर देंगे दो पार्ट में. एक में से आप उसको ट्रेनिंग करेंगे, ट्रेनिंग पर्पस यू विल कीप इट फॉर ट्रेनिंग, एंड द अदर पार्ट यू आर गोइंग टू keep it for the testing. You know, once the data is your model is ready, then you can evaluate its performance using different metrics are there like accuracy, precision, etc. And finally, this is the step which is not discussed in your syllabus, but actually in real world you need to deploy it. आपको उसको use करना है तो आप वेबसाइट में use कर सकते हैं. You can have a chatbots are there, virtual assistants are there. So there are different forms by which you can use it. Okay. So next is the category of AI models. AI models को आप दो पार्ट में डिवाइड करेंगे. एक है लर्निंग बेस्ड मॉडल एंड सेकंड है रूल बेस्ड. And in learning based model, there are again two parts are there, machine learning and deep learning. Right. Now, this is the main very important topic which is there covering the this AI topic. Now, in this case, okay. Now, before we discuss any further, For this exam, it's very important. See, you must be aware now. This AI is considered to be one of the subjects for the best five. So scoring here good marks is a very important. So you need to practice MCQs and type of questions which are there for the board exam. So obviously, I'm providing here all the theory which is there, but it's very important that you practice those type of questions so that you can have a better idea. So you can go for this particular link which I have given, and there in this I have gone through this particular content. Okay, so in this content, I have kept all sorts of important questions, okay, objective type of questions, especially the MCQs. You have the first, I think, 24 marks are MCQs on. So your all types of MCQs are given for each of the chapters, so that आप जब MCs को करेंगे multiple choice question or different forms of questions are there, so it will give you a clear idea, right? So let's move further for the next slide. Okay, so first we will discuss the rule-based model. What are rule-based? Okay, these are the which follows predefined rules or logic set by humans. Here, the programmer has already set some predefined rules or logic, so it will work accordingly. Now, you can think of a if then conditions, okay, where if this is the thing, this will be the answer. If this is the thing, this. So here the only the possibility is only within those if then condition. Okay, whichever conditions you have given. And this kind of models do not learn from the data but relied on program knowledge. You have already given some kind of in the program itself, you have given the conditions. So based on the conditions, you must have done those program uh, where you need to give some condition like if the item price is this thing, तो उसका आपका this is the discount. Okay, so this type of question where everything is given inside the program. So there is very less chance of uh, going beyond that. Secondly, the expert systems. Now, what kind of systems? Like expert systems are there, chatbots are there, where you are getting limited responses. आप उससे ज़्यादा पूछेंगे तो they will okay, you can call the person. Okay, they have a certain limited this thing. Fraud detection systems. Okay, using predefined rules. So even certain rules are there. Okay, if it is violating those rules, then only it will be considered as a fraud. So rule-based models are there where we need some kind of a specific kind of things for which we need to apply the want to create the model with with some limited approach. Second is the learning based. See, as the name is saying, it will learn. Okay. Now, what is the thing? How we learn? Basically, see, our learning is also from the data. And using the data after learning from the data, after gaining knowledge, we improve over time. So similarly, here the techniques which are there, especially in learning models, are is machine learning and deep learning. And here it is like capable of handling complex and changing environment, right? So examples are like neural network, recommendation systems, self-driving cars. So like very simple example, you are watching something on Netflix. So suddenly you change the type of movies you want to see. So it will give you recommendation for those kind of movies. In Amazon, if you are buying some product and you look for a different product, so it will then give you recommendations for those. And self-driving cars are obviously say they have to learn. Okay, so once they know maybe first time they may not handle the road situation properly, but once they get the all the data which is there on that particular road, like as we human being we know the roads properly. Once we know, then we it's become easier for us. The same is for the for complete video and quick revision course on Class 10 AI board exams, you can visit this link, which is given here on the screen. Here you will get all the MCQs, PYQs, PDFs, sample papers, and this course is just at the rate of 299. So this is the best way for preparing for your board exams and for scoring excellent marks in your board exams. So best of luck for your upcoming exam. Thank you.